It is a ghastly crime so unconscionable. One woman is speaking out tonight. Grave robbers have hit a target. Not the bodies 6 feet under, but the metal that sits atop their gravestones. Not on Your Side's Marcelino Benito with the story of one crook who stooped to an ugly new low.
It's not your typical crime target, and that's because most people here are dead.
It's very sentimental.
But someone lurked through Evergreen Cemetery.
I was really shocked.
Going from headstone to headstone until the crook found just what he or she wanted.
We never really thought about putting a big brass cross that it was an invitation for someone to steal it.
This headstone belongs to Philip Biggers.
It was a good 24 to 30 inch brass cross.
But now that cross gone. You can see the screws where it used to be, and Philip's sister Deborah can't believe it.
I would never expect something to be stolen off of a gravestone.
The president of Evergreen wasn't available to go on camera today, but he does say metal theft has been an issue here in the past. But he says more and more of these crimes aren't tied to the money the crooks make off the metal. A lot of these trinkets are being stolen right off the graves and used in other graves or in other homes for decor. And that, he says, is the most disturbing part.
That's a sad place to be.
Deborah calls it an unbelievable low to troll through a cemetery stealing from the dead. Now her attention shifts to repairing the damage.
We do plan to replace it, but I'm not sure what we'll replace it with. Probably not brass.
And she'll be keeping a close eye on her mother's gravestone too, to make sure it doesn't become the next target and this piece of hallowed ground is not desecrated. Marcelino Benito, KGUN 9 on Your Side.
If this happens to your loved one's gravestone, the best thing to do is report it to police.